Hey everybody, it's Rick, the OG, and making a little bit different video today. I want to try a few new things, and I'll take you along and show you what I've been doing. First of all, I'm trying to get ready for a little mountain biking trip that I am going to go on here, and it's one that I've been on. It's one I've been on before a few times. It's Wavy Davy. I made a video about it. I'll leave a link to it right up there. But basically, I wanted to try a few new things. Now, I went and bought this trailer here for this specific reason of going places with my mountain bike. But I don't know if you've seen gas prices lately, but where I live, I guess we have the most expensive gas in the nation right now. So it's over $4, and it's getting more than that per gallon. So that baby will really suck the gas out of my truck. So that and all the state or the campgrounds, like state and federal national forest campgrounds, are all closed this time of year. So I kind of felt a little weird about leaving my trailer somewhere. So tried to figure out a way to take my bike and everything I need in just my truck. That being said, I also didn't want to bring my trailer hitch carrier for my bike, because that would mean everything sits outside, and I just didn't like that. It made it hard to stop places. And also, I didn't want to put holes in the bed of my truck. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what I came up with to solve that problem. I came up with this solution right here. I'll get to show you right now. Maybe, but my truck is locked. I should have prepared for that. I do have my keys though. First time I've done this. All right, so here, my chair out of the way. Here, I came up with a little way to kind of get my bike in here. Move my bed up. Well, actually, that's kind of cool. I'll leave it right there. But this is kind of what I came up with. Now, if you know me, I'm in the garage door business, and some of this stuff is garage door stuff. So there's like a track bracket there, and that's a step plate, and then over here I got the same thing. And what I did is I attached the bike holder to, it looks a little flimsy, huh? I hope it's not. Attached the bike holder to this piece of 1x, and made this so I can adjust it. I can adjust this down, so it's putting downward pressure there, and tightened it here, tighten it there. Yeah, anyway, we'll see how it holds out. Today I'm gonna test it. We're gonna go for a little bike ride, and I'm gonna put my e-bike in here and see how it goes. Cross my fingers I don't screw anything up. All right, so part of the deal is that I have to take off the front tire and load it into the truck. So I don't do that a lot with my other one. I just throw it in there and let it go. So this is only the second time I've loaded it into the back of the truck like this. So, well, one thing I wanted to do too is I think I wanted to lower the seat for a moment. There we go. All right, so let's take the axle out. Put it I got right now. The tire over here. So, golly, it's heavy. Right there. Down on there. There we go. Ta-da! We'll see how it holds up. All right, so there it is. It's in there. It fits pretty well, actually. I think I can even raise the seat up, which I probably should. There we go. And there's still plenty of room. And I mean, it's pretty solid, but the bike weighs, you know, it's like 50 pounds. Holy crap, it's so heavy. And it sits right down in the groove there, the back tire, so I'm hoping that helps stabilize this thing. And I hope the weight kind of actually stabilizes things a little bit. So, okay. First thing we're checking out today is stability of Rick's rack. Maybe we can call it that, Rick's rack. Maybe I'll come up with a design that fits in the back of trucks, guys like that. Okay, I just got to the trailhead, and you and me are going to be the first to see how it looks. I did see it kind of moving around a little bit, but I guess that's kind of to be expected. Let's take a look, see how it looks. Looks like I shoved a little bit of the sawdust out, but none the worse for wear. I think we might have it. So one of the other things I wanted to try out that's new today is this chin mount here. It took me a while to get it. They were out of the kind from my Smith mainline helmet for a while. For some reason I thought they just 3D printed them. Anyway, they were out, and so I finally ended up getting one, and we're gonna test it out and see how it works. It's been on there a good 3 days or so, and we're gonna test it out in portrait mode first, because I haven't put out any shorts in a while. So we'll try that. I'm gonna get warmed up on maybe Evil Twin, and we'll check that out. All right. Here we go. We'll see. Squeaky brakes. Oh man, is that pretty good? Yep. Like this section for the video. Kind of cool with all these trees. Always a little sandy there. Pedal scrape. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Deep. Catchy. Oh. Yeah. Hot camber. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Bit of a jump here. Yeah, that landed pretty good. And that's a good twin, I guess. Now we're trying landscape mode on the same trail. Here we go. Oh, dog shit right on the trail. That's awesome. Yes. Drop is always a little sketchy for me. I don't know. Everything seems a little sketchy for me sometimes.
shit. Lost my foot. My pedal. I don't know. Oh, shit. Yeah. Did that one a little better than last time. All right, food, fast, nice. That was Good Twin, Evil Twin, and this is going to be Master Blaster. I haven't been down Master Blaster in a long time, so I'm sure we're going to go relatively mellow here. Used to be a way in right here, I think. Right here, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Looks loose, but so far hasn't been too bad. All right. Not bad. Oh, dear. I don't want to take that jump. That's a big jump. I don't like it. Don't want it. Let's see what happens on this next one. Corner, 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 corner. Okay. Corner, 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 corner. Is it going to? Jump! Not bad. Not that good at that one all the time. Oh, it's been a while. Kind of forgot about what this trail is. I don't like that jump. Kind of out of position for this corner. And then I hit that jump. Nice. Hey, that wasn't bad. So now it's Master Blaster in landscape mode. Again, I haven't been on here too much, so probably not gonna go balls to the wall. Oh. Here's that jump I'm not gonna try. Comes the other ones I've done and will do. Yes, that was pretty good. Ooh, over the front on that one a little bit. Definitely don't want to hate shoot. Okay, Master Blaster, landscape. So we got Evil / Good Twin, and we got Master Blaster. I think it's time for some pop rocks. Oh, isn't that a little weird? That too. Why am I going into things so weird? Yes. I've been on this in a long time. Yes. And yes. 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 No, I don't think I'm going to do stuff. Not today. C-section here. Yes. Last trail I was going to do today on landscape is pop rocks again, just to kind of compare them, see how things go. Here we go. This, yes. It's always a little tricky. Yes. And there's my truck. Hey. See if I can get better at loading this thing up. Yes, Mike, coming in hot. Oh. That's almost more work than the ride itself.
All right, guys, that's it. Not a bad day of testing. Tested out my new bike rack. Tested out some new camera positions. Everything seemed to go well. I kept the rubber side down, and what else can I ask for? You know what to do. Watch out for the old guy.